In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Harami Cross bearish, quick and easy. We'll be doing this inside Tradingview, so go ahead and open up your chart on the platform. You can use any market or time frame you like. The process is the same. Once your chart is open and you can clearly see the candles, we're ready to start. First, look towards the top of your Tradingview chart for the indicators button. It's usually located in the main toolbar above your price chart. Click on that and a new window or panel will pop up. This is where you can search for and add all kinds of built-in and community indicators. If your screen looks a little different, make sure your chart is in full view and that you're not in a minimized or compact layout. Inside the indicators panel, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type the word cross. Be sure to spell it correctly and give it a moment for Tradingview to load the results. As you type, you'll see a list of matching indicators appear below. This list may include built-in candlestick patterns, custom scripts, and community indicators that contain the word cross in their names. From the search results, look for the one labeled Harami Cross bearish. This is a specific candlestick pattern that can help you identify potential bearish reversals on your chart. Once you spot it, simply click on it. As soon as you do, Tradingview will automatically apply the Harami Cross bearish pattern to your chart. You should start seeing highlighted marks or labels wherever this pattern appears in your price data. If you don't see anything right away, try zooming out or scrolling back in time to find where the pattern has been detected. At this point, the indicator is added and ready to use. You can open the settings for it by hovering over its name in the chart's indicator list and clicking the settings icon. From there, you can adjust visual preferences like colors or visibility to make the signal stand out better against your chart background. Finally, if you're finding Tradingview helpful and you're thinking about upgrading to Tradingview Pro for more tools, more indicators per chart, and an overall smoother experience, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel at no extra cost to you and helps me keep creating tutorials like this.